I get a lot of comments in my videos that a lot of ladies ask whether they are pregnant or not. They ask about the symptoms. They send me their reports like the pregnancy kit pictures. So a lot of confusion is there. Today I'll be telling you 15 symptoms of early pregnancy. Number 1, missed periods. If your period cycle is regular, let's say it's for 28 days and it's been missed for more than 7 days, that is more than a week or so. So you should go for a pregnancy test, that whether you are pregnant or not. But remember, if you have irregular period cycle, that cannot be certain that case. Number 2, that is tender or swollen breasts. What happens when you are pregnant? There will be a little soreness, maybe your breast will go a little larger and there will be a little soreness there. But that will go after a few weeks. So initially in first 3-4 weeks it may happen that way. Number 3, nausea or the feeling or sensation of vomiting, the early morning sickness type. You may have vomitings on the regular basis or that feeling without vomiting. That is also a symptom of pregnancy. Number 4, headache or back pain. There are good chances that you have regular headaches and backache when you are pregnant. So that is also a symptom of pregnancy. Number 5, a little excess urination. What happens when you are pregnant? Your blood goes a little on the higher side in volume. That means you have a little extra blood in your body when you are pregnant. So the body tries to throw out the extra fluids out from your body. So you may feel a little extra urination than the normal ones. Number 6, that is a little extra fatigue. When you become pregnant, so suddenly, I don't know what is the reason, but you start feeling fatigue. You occasionally feel tired, you have low energy doing any kind of work. So that is also a symptom. Number 7, that is mood swings. When you become pregnant, so suddenly there will be a little extra flow of hormones inside the body and that leads to mood swings. Suddenly you start acting a little different than the normal one, that you have different feelings, different moods. So that is also a sign of early pregnancy. Number 8, that is bloating. Suddenly you feel that your abdomen area is a little bloated. That happens whenever you eat a little or something, suddenly the bloating happens. Number 9, that is light spotting. What happens when the egg goes into the uterus and it sticks to the lining of the uterus, so some light bleeding happens. So don't be confused it with your periods, that the bleeding will be very mild. The color of the blood can be red, pink or maybe brown. Remember, it will be very mild, not like your regular periods. There will be slight cramps also, slight pain also inside the abdomen, lower abdomen area. But again, it will be very similar to the period pain, but do not get confused with it. And there will be a mild fatigue, as I told you already. Number 10, there can be mild cramps at the abdomen area. So cramping is another symptom of early pregnancy, but that will be mild again, as I told you, that will be very less than your regular period pain. Number 11, suddenly a lot of hormones changes inside the body and you need a little extra energy in your pregnant days. So what happens, your digestion becomes a little weaker that time because a little extra energy is being diverted to other areas. So you may feel mild constipation when you become pregnant. Number 12, that is food aversions. Suddenly it happens that you start liking some certain kind of food that can be much different than your earlier taste. So food cravings, food aversions is another symptom of early pregnancy. Number 13, that is nasal congestion. A lot of extra hormonal flow happens inside your body. So suddenly your body starts producing a little extra mucus. So in your nasal area there will be a little extra mucus that may lead to like a cough and cold situation. Number 14, yes, you will gain a little extra weight when you are pregnant. So you will feel noticeable weight gain when you are in your early pregnancy. And 15th, last but not the least, that is you will get a little extra pregnancy glow at your face when you are pregnant. So be happy that you are pregnant now. All that symptoms will help you out to understand that you are pregnant or not. Remember, your pregnancy counting starts with your last periods when you get pregnant. So the last period cycle, day 1 is count as day 1 of pregnancy of your 40 weeks cycle, and the implantation happens in the middle of the 2 cycles. So for first 4, 5 or maybe 6 weeks you may not be able to understand, or you may not be getting any sign of pregnancy. So the right time to understand that you are pregnant or not is when your periods are missed for more than a week or so. If you are getting any such kind of symptom, so I congratulate you that you seem to be pregnant. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.